Hello, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the Shein Affiliate Marketing Program. Alright, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Shein website application. Thank you, honey. Alright, so this is my web application. Alright, so if you don't have an account on Shein, then I'm sorry, you will not be able to explore all of these fantastic features showing you on your screen. So how do you create an account? Really simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. At the top corner, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type shein.com and it's going to take you right into this fantastic website. Top right corner, go ahead and click on that to sign up. Follow through with all of the processes that you need to sign up. And once you've created an account, it's going to take you to your customized homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great shopping experience on Shein. Now, there is nothing that you are looking for that you will not find on Shein. Literally everything. So here's a shop by category. Now, do you have women clothing? As you can see, curve. You have kids, you have men fashion, you have women lingerie and sleep, you have women jewelries and accessories, you have women shoes, home and kitchen, sports and outdoors, baby and maternity, literally everything. Everything. And you go, guess what? Actually have honey. Honey is this amazing coupon web application. Actually helps you activate rewards and coupons, and now you get all of those things at incredible discounted rates. But literally, that's not really all that we're actually here for, okay? Because we're actually here to learn how to make money on Shein and not how to give Shein money. It's very simple that way. So scroll all the way down and down and down till you get to the bottom of this page. So now it says about Shein, okay, so how to order and all of those things. And it doesn't literally strike us like we can actually get the affiliate marketing program or the affiliate program actually here on Shein. All right, so we can get it directly here, but there is a website for Shein affiliate marketing program. Now, if you want to actually use the Shein affiliate marketing program directly, you know, there are actually a lot of processes that you have to go through. All right, but then I would like you to know that there's a third party affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing website that you can definitely use for you to access the Shein affiliate marketing program and then push whatever products and brands that they have to your advantage so you can earn as much commissions as possible. So, what is a third party website? Now, it is CJ Affiliate. Now, of course, you've been hearing so much about CJ. So CJ actually offers this amazing affiliate marketing offer or affiliate marketing services by connecting you with a wide variety of partners and brands and opening you up to the affiliate marketing program that each of those brands have per time. And sweetly enough, Shein is actually one of the partners of CJ. So it means that you can definitely have access to all of Shein's affiliate marketing programs on CJ. So now that we're on CJ, now CJ is actually quite dicey because if you want to create an account on CJ, it's not difficult, right? It's not difficult, but then there are a lot of processes that you really need to go through. And as you can see right here from my screen, it says I'm 5 out of 7, let's say 5 out of 7% complete in my registration process. So I have validated my email. Just click on all of the step-by-step processes and then follow through with them, self-explanatory. And then I have entered my user information and I have saved. And then I have completed my network profile and I have also added a promotional property. But then what I have not done is to enter my company details and submit my tax forms. Why? Because I do not have tax forms. But then if you do, then that would be awesome for you. So go ahead and click on submit forms, and these are all of the things that you need to submit in this process. So you will need your company's mailing address, and then know which functional currency you want to be paid in, and then know your tax info and submit your W-9 or W-8BEN. With these, I do not have them, but then if you do, that's fine. But I would like you to also know that you entering your company details and submitting your tax form is also, also influences your payment information. So you will not be able to provide your payment information if you do not complete the step that precedes it. So that's it. So it says you must complete your company details and tax information before you can enter your banking information. And then you have questions that you need to answer right here. And once you have answered all the questions, that's going to be it. Then you can now get started. So why did I go through all these processes? I went through all of them for you to know that you cannot look for, or you cannot find the advertisers or your partners or brands that you want to run affiliate program with on CJ if you don't complete these step-by-step processes. So here you go. It says completing the following tasks will ensure that you are ready to start working with advertisers and getting paid for your hard work. Just simple English. So you will not be able to find these advertisers if you do not complete the steps. So it's very much important that you complete the step-by-step processes and don't just be 5 of 7, just like me. So once you have completed all of these processes, then congratulations. I would like to take you to the next step. Now the next step, check the top left corner of your screen and you're going to see home, partners, reports, campaigns, and accounts. So what do you go ahead and click on? Go ahead and click on partners. Just move your cursor right there. You don't have to click on that. And then you're going to see an extended menu. My advertisers, find advertisers, pending applications, and pending offers. So because you want to look for advertisers, then you, of course, automatically what you're going to click on. So go ahead and click on find advertisers. And once you click on find advertisers, naturally, after going through all of these processes and you have completed the onboarding process, you can definitely find your advertisers on this page that is about to show on your screen. But guess what? They will not allow me to find my advertisers right here, and it's just very funny. Let's see. So it seems like the page is actually coming up. Okay, so let's see. So that says my advertisers, pending offers, and all. Okay, awesome. And right here, you're going to see the search bar. So in this search bar, let's see if we can definitely find Shein. All right, so this is top left corner here already. So let's type Shein. And we're just going to pray that they're able to find Shein for us. So punch the enter button. So I'm just going to have to repeat this again. Let's see. All right. So I'm punching on the search. As you can see, it's just delaying all the way out. Okay, so like I said, for you, if you are not finding an issue with this, once you have definitely typed Shein right here under this, and then you've clicked on search, you're going to see Shein right here in this window. It's just going to pop. So you're going to see Shein and you're going to see the affiliate marketing program that is available at that instance. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on Shein, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find the details of the affiliate marketing program. So once you find the details, go ahead and click on the top right corner. At the top right corner, you're going to see apply for this program. Once, of course, you're done going through all the details of the program. So top right corner, you're going to find apply for this program button. Click on that, and once you click on that, then Shein is going to have to review your application. And once they've reviewed it, they're definitely going to get back to you. So once I say that you should check the details of the affiliate marketing program, I'm saying that because it is right there. You're going to know how much is going to be in it for you. I'm talking about your commission. That's where you're going to see what commission you're going to get on any product that you sell. All right, all of those details are going to be explained for you, or explained, like I said, detailed for you. So go ahead and click on apply for this program, and once it has been reviewed and your application has been accepted, then you can go ahead and start creating your tracking link, which is going to be made available for you by Shein, and then you share it, and then once they're able to make decisions that are favorable to the affiliate marketing program, then you definitely get your commission. So So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the video from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.